Quilted placemats are the unsung heroes of your dining table. Not only do they add a splash of color and style, but they also protect your table from spills, heat, and scratches. The extra layers from quilting make them even more protective and durable. Quilted placemats are essentially miniature quilts designed for your table. They combine the decorative appeal of quilting with the practical function of a placemat, resulting in a unique and useful dining accessory. Let's explore some free quilted placemat patterns that can elevate your dining experience. First up is the Peppermint Snowball Candy Mat, perfect for holiday tables. This 11.5-inch square placemat features a festive design in red, white, and gray. While it's best suited for intermediate quilters, beginners can also tackle this project with some patience. For plant lovers, the Planté placemats offer a nature-inspired design. These 18 by 15-inch placemats showcase intricate patterns reminiscent of leaves and flora, making them a great addition to any nature-themed decor. If you're looking to add some cheer to your table, consider the Sunshine placemats. These 15.5-inch square placemats feature a bright, sun-inspired design that's sure to bring smiles to your dining area. For those who enjoy a touch of whimsy, the Welcome to the Funny Farm placemats might be just the thing. These placemats, measuring 15 3/4 by 19 3/4 inches, feature fun farm animal designs that add a playful element to your table setting. If you prefer a more classic farm theme, the Farm Life placemat offers a sophisticated take on rural imagery. At 18 by 14 inches, these placemats depict roosters and hens against a calligraphed background for a timeless farmhouse feel. For seasonal options, consider the Mr. Frosty placemats for winter, featuring a cheerful snowman design, or the seasonal placemats adorned with sunflower rims for a summery touch. These are just a few of the many free quilted placemat patterns available. From holiday themes to nature-inspired designs, there's a pattern to suit every taste and skill level. Whether you're an experienced quilter or just starting out, creating your own quilted placemats is a great way to personalize your dining space and protect your table in style. So why not give it a try? Your dining table will thank you. Find even more quilted placemat patterns to protect your dining table at ilovequiltingforever.com.